Good evening, Shriyansh. I am SERA. Please tell me, how may I help you?
Samsung on Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, the Samsung Group is a South Korean multinational conglomerate headquartered in Samsung Town, Seoul. It comprises numerous affiliated businesses, most of them united under the Samsung brand, and is the largest South Korean chaebol business conglomerate. Samsung was founded by Lee Byung-chul in 1938 as a trading company. Over the next 3 decades, the group diversified into areas including food processing, textiles, insurance, securities, and retail. Samsung entered the electronics industry in the late 1960s and the construction and shipbuilding industries in the mid-1970s. These areas would drive its subsequent growth.
Open Google. Open YouTube. Open Zoom. Apple on Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, an apple is an edible fruit produced by an apple tree, Malus domestica. Apple trees are cultivated worldwide and are the most widely grown species in the genus Malus. The tree originated in Central Asia, where its wild ancestor, Malus sivacei, is still found today. Apples have been grown for thousands of years in Asia and Europe and were brought to North America by European colonists. Apples have religious and mythological significance in many cultures, including Norse, Greek, and European Christian tradition.
Play music. Now it's time for Microsoft Virtual Assistant Cortana. Open Google.
Sorry, but for the time being, I am not equipped to do that.
Open YouTube.
Sorry, but for the time being, I am not equipped to do that.
Open soup.us.
Sorry, I'm not able to help with that.
Apple.
Sorry, I'm not able to help with that.